welcome back to Gilly's Fishing. Today, got my 18-year-old daughter up from Manchester, so it's going to be different. She's not been on a video yet. So, is that all you're going to do, wave?
Yeah.
She's just going to wave. She's a bit camera shy. But yeah, we're at Middleton Pier, and obviously we've got here 4 hours before high tide. So we're going to set up, take our time, and then start fishing. So yeah, we're going to get set up and then we'll bring you straight back, but hopefully let's catch some fish. I think Beth's into one. We'll soon find out.
I can feel it.
No, it's come off.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, unlucky Beth.
Yeah, it has.
It has, it's come off.
Has it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, well, I'll get this baited back up and get it out, and hopefully she'll get one.
It's the weight that I could feel.
It's a weight.
Yeah.
Right, well, we've been here just under an hour, haven't we?
Yeah. There's our friend.
These two are just chilling.
Our friend.
Oh yeah, little friend's back.
I remember named him Robin Hood.
Yeah, we've had 2 bites up to now. One on the, well, one on each of them. I've got a big bait on the left hand rod, squid and bluey, and I've got a 2-hook flapper rig on the second one with rag on. But yeah, just 2 bites up to now. And our little friend's back from our previous session. I get a bit of ragworm out and film it.
He's called Robin Hood.
Film it, feed it.
I called him Robin Hood.
Right, well, we've been here 2 hours now, haven't we?
Yeah.
2 hours. And we've got 3 rods out. We've got the little LRF one down the side, and nothing's even biting on that. We've not had a bite for a while. We had 2 bites in the first hour. My 18-year-old daughter's too busy feeding a Tamagotchi instead of fishing. So, yeah, it's a bit quiet, but the sea's really calm. Well, hopefully the fishing gets a lot better. It's been very, very quiet. Like I say, we're using rag, squid, bluey and prawns eventually. So hopefully we'll catch some soon. If not, at least we go out fishing and it's a gorgeous day. Yeah, so we'll carry on fishing. We get any bites and we'll bring you straight back to the action. Right, well, there we go, our first fish. Nice little cola.
He's not blanking.
I know, we're not blanking. So I'm going to chuck it back. Let's see. Oh, nearly.
Oh gosh.
I'm not dropping another one. Chuck it back. Straight up.
Yes.
First fish, cola.
Now I'm happy. Are you happy, Beth?
Yeah.
First fish, cola.
Uh-huh.
And you can reuse that worm as well.
Oh, I'm getting bites on this one as well.
Not bad.
Oh, Dad, you're getting a bite on that one.
I know, yeah.
But on this one,
Yeah. sorry I'm not getting these on while I'm reeling them in, but there's our first flatfish. So I'm going to get it unhooked and get it back.
I don't like how the eyes are so close to each other.
Right, well, we've had 2 fish for the session up to now. We've had a flatfish and a cola. So we're doing alright.
Yeah.
I'm just baiting this up, this 2-hook flapper rig with ragworm. I'm only using them size hooks on this one. They're only small. But yeah, my daughter's escaping all the footage. She don't like being in it.
Well, I've just got to run there.
Yeah, 2 fish up to now, and we are 2.5 hours in. Alright, so there's our 3rd fish. Nice little flathead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop him back. They look mint then when they swim off.
Not bad.
3 fish.
Yeah.
3 fish in 3 hours. 2 flatties and 1 cola. Look at that. Rag and bluey. See how far we can get it. By the way, the seagull tried to eat it. The seagull flew down straight from my bait.
Oh.
There's all my bait cut up, squid, prawns and bluey. And I've got some rag as well.
We've got another one.
This one's a good one.
Is it?
I feel a bit of weight. It's not fighting, but it's on there.
Wait.
What is that? A flatfish.
Yeah, another flatfish.
Maybe it's the same one we caught last time.
No, it's definitely not.
That one was cheeky. Dad, I put Amelia, Dad and Beth.
Where?
I put Amelia, Dad and Beth in the flat. Oh, you set that up? Have you started a video?
Yeah.
That shade's got bigger.
That what?
Shade? I remember the shade used to be like here. Now it's like here.
Don't look at it.
See if we get it from down the side.
You got one?
Yeah, I definitely got one.
Yay!
Got it, another flathead.
Wait.
There we go. There's our third flatty of the session.
Can see a seal right there. It's bobbing.
So cute.
Look. Oh, it's gone. It's gone.
Where is it?
Gone under. It's a pain in the back end, it is. See, I keep getting little bites on this rod. When I pick it up, there's never nothing there. But yeah, we've been here roughly about 4 hours now, haven't we? It's high tide. And we've had 4 fish, 3 flatties and 1 cola. And these 2 are bored. But yeah, we're going to carry on fishing. I want a few more fish. Right, there we go. 4th flatty of the day. It's the biggest one so far. We're not far off packing up and going home. But at least we got one, and I got it away from the seal. The last one I caught, the seal had it. So the seal's just not moved for the last 2 hours. So yeah, I'm going to chuck this back. There we go.
Is it swimming?
Yeah, it's good.
Yay.
There we go.
That seals went from
I know.
down there as well.
Well, oh, it's getting a bit colder now.
Yeah.
So I'm going to rebait this back up and get it out. I don't think there's anything else. I just need to rebait them. Time's it now, Beth?
It's
17:40.
20 to 5. No, it's 20 to 6.
It's 20 to 6 already.
Yeah.
Right, well, we've been here for about 6 hours, haven't we?
Yeah.
Halfway?
Yeah, something like that. We've been here a good 6 hours, and we've had 5 fish up to now, 4 flatties and 1 cola.
Uh-huh.
Gorgeous, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And now I took a few pictures if you want them for your video.
Getting bites on the left hand rod. I'm only getting little taps. When I go over, there's nothing there, so just a bit of small ones. I put the little one away, the LRF one. We only had the coley on that, but look at that. Look at the moon, absolutely stunning. So yeah, I think that light will keep her occupied as well. Well, yeah, it's been quiet today on Middleton. We've had no whiting. A guy next to us has caught a codlin, and obviously we've seen whiting caught and scorpion fish, and obviously we've had a coley and a few flatfish. But yeah, if we get any more action, we'll just bring you straight back, and hopefully we get it all on film. Decent size whiting. I thought it was a cod at first, so I'm kind of gutted because I thought it was a cod or a haddock, but obviously now in the light it's definitely a whiting. But yeah, chuffed to bits with that. Yeah.
Why did you just such it?
So yeah, so now I'm going to redo the outro. Sorry, I'm freezing. So I'm going to do the outro again. So yeah, we've had 4 flatfish, 1 cola, and this decent sized whiting for the day. The kids are cold, so obviously we're going to pack up now. So this is definitely the last fish unless I reel that in and there's another one on. So yeah, until next time everyone, tight lines.